Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tune up your vehicle on the CSR2 racing game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CSR2 game on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already. You will then be taken into the main menu after logging in. And now if you wish to tune up your vehicle, just tap on your current car that you have. You will now find the tune option at the bottom section. Go ahead and tap on this and you will be taken into the tune-up menu for your car. Tap on the continue button and you will be asked to tap on the displayed area in order to tune your nitro. Slide it to the shown direction and then tap on the continue button and then tap on the dyno option. Tap on OK and then tap on the continue button and now your tune-up process has been completed. You can tap on the test run in order to check how better your performance has become within your vehicle. You can also choose various other options such as final drive, tire pressure, and you can also use various other presets in order to tune up your vehicle more easily. Once your tune-up has been done, you can tap on the back button and now you can start racing with your newly tuned car by tapping on the race button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to tune up your vehicle on the CSR2 racing game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.